Hello YouTube, it's NWI Weather here again, formerly known as WMan 5786. It's been almost 2 weeks since the May 2016 tornado siren test. I'll try not to let this happen again. When I left here that day, there was I completely forgot to film the intro. Here's the intro. It's that tornado siren behind me that got tested, and the test was a success. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys hear some noise. Hello. Before I go, I'd like to say thank you for watching. And if you think I deserve your subscription and you're not subscribed already, hit that button over there. If you don't think so, again, I always appreciate the view. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.